Laguna, Lorenzo Banyas.
Welcome to the stage, Malilit Santa Rosa, Laguna. You may now pick your question. Don't worry, we will read it twice, both in English and Filipino. Once again, to our audiences, please stay quiet while our candidate is answering. Are you feeling good?
I'm feeling good and I'm happy.
Okay, I think you're very ready for this. Take a deep breath. Okay, let's begin.
Compassion is vital for a ruler. How would you use compassion to address issues affecting the Philippines today? Ang malasakit ay mahalaga para sa isang pinuno. Paano mo gagamitin ang malasakit upang matugunan ang mga isyong kinakaharap ng Pilipinas sa kasalukuyan?
Good evening. For me, the issue that we are facing right now is the gas hike, because I believe that if we are continue to help each other and we continue to grow as one and help each other, and it is our responsibility as individuals to act and do our best for the betterment of our country. I would like to take this opportunity as part of King of the World Philippines to send a message for everyone, most especially to the people of our country. Let us continue to help each other. Let's spread love and knowledge. And let us continue to have a positive mind, meaningful words, and impactful actions that will surely add power and spark to the progression of our country. So in the end, we will have a society, a community, and a world that is unbreakable and unstoppable. Thank you.
Thank you, Lorenzo Banyas from Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Thank you, I love that. Very confident. Our guys are very confident tonight. They're truly kings.
And that is just the first one.
I know. I'm so excited for the next one. So let's call on.
Now let us move on. Pampanga Province, Xavier Zapata.
Hello there, Pampanga Province, with such a dashing and charming smile. Are you feeling good tonight?
Yeah, I'm feeling good tonight. And I'm ready to listen.
Okay, ready to go shot. Pick your question from the fishbowl. Okay, Pampanga Province, here is your question. In today's generation, what does it mean to lead with values, and how do you practice it in your daily life? Sa kasalukuyang henerasyon, ano ang ibig sabihin ng pamumuno na may pinahahalagahang prinsipyo, at paano mo ito isinasabuhay sa iyong pang-araw-araw na buhay?
To be a king, we know our value, we know our vision, we know how to respect, and we know how to believe to those people who help us. Because a true king is rising with purpose, serving with heart, and shining with strength. I believe a true king is not only about the road, it's all about the goal. It's not about the power, but the ability to empower. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Pampanga Province.
Xavier Zapata.
Thank you so much.
You know, the competition just keeps getting tougher and tougher for these guys.
I know, and at least we have two candidates who can now take a breath of relief.
Yes, take the rest backstage, and now let us move on to our third candidate from Santa Rosa City, Laguna, City Lygon.
Welcome, Santa Rosa City, Laguna.
Santa Rosa City, Laguna. JB, how are you feeling tonight?
Just excited to the result of King of the World Philippines 2026, and I'm so happy to be here. Thank you so much to all of you guys, to all the judges, and to all my supporters. Thank you so much.
You know what? You had such a genuine smile, and I know that you are ready for this. So go ahead, pick your question. So your question is, in a world driven by social media, how can a king remain authentic and not just perform for attention. In Tagalog, sa mundong pinapagalaw ng social media, paano mananatiling totoo ang isang hari at hindi lamang nagpapakita para sa atensyon?
Thank you so much for that question. Well, social media is a powerful tool to spread information. Actually, to be honest, I did a lot of mistakes when it comes to social media because I read a lot of bad news or fake news. But what I did is just, what I did is I accept my mistakes because that is a true thing. You should know how to accept the mistakes to influence positive change. Because I joined here in this competition, King of the World Philippines, not just to stand out, but to stand for something greater than myself. And I want to encourage everyone to let us use social media in a good way. And with that, we can have a country, a society, and a world that always execute great mission and powerful actions. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Santa Rosa City, Laguna.
Thank you very much. Our teams so far have been so authentic, which is why
Next king, Quezon City, John Paul Juanilio. John Paul, is there anyone that you would like to greet for this night?
Hello to my family, my friends. Thank you for supporting me. I love you all.
Alright, and now you may pick your question. The Philippines has a rich history of leaders who fought for their freedom. Which Filipino historical figure do you admire most and why? In Tagalog, ang Pilipinas ay mayamang-mayaman sa kaysaysayan ng mga lider na lumaban para sa kalayaan. Aling makasaysayang Pilipino ang iyong hinahangaan at bakit?
It would be Jose Rizal because you fought for our country. And I believe that for us to be able to be a successful country, we have to help each other because alone we can do so little. But if we are together, we can do so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you as well, Quezon City, John Paul Juanilio. Let us call on Rizal Province, Edward Ponte. Please go ahead and pick your question. Your question is, how can a king stay relevant in a fast-changing world without losing his core values? In Tagalog, paano mananatiling makabuluhan ang isang hari sa mabilis na nagbabagong mundo nang hindi nawawala ang kanyang mga pinahahalagahang prinsipyo?
As one of the youngest candidates here in King of the World Philippines, I'm very lucky to be part of the top 18. And now as I speak, I want to inspire everyone to enable to speak and enable to stay to your values. You must show your most authentic self. I want to advocate our most authentic self by showing authenticity. Because I believe by showing authenticity, we value honesty and integrity. And for a leader to become truly worth a king, a leader must be honest to himself, because I believe the best version of ourselves is the one that God has given us. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much as well, Edward Ponte from Rizal Province. Our next king, please make your way here on center stage from Davao City, Norman Coronel Jr.
Davao City, with your confident smile, I know that you are ready. And so, while our fishbowl is approaching, take a deep breath and pick your question.
Whoever wrote these questions or these pieces of paper did a really good job. So your question is, what is one value you will never compromise even if it costs you opportunities? In Tagalog, ano ang isang pagpapahalaga na hindi mo ipagpapalit kahit may mawala sa iyo na oportunidad?
being in the stage as an independent candidate, I learned that you cannot please everyone, but instead use that as a strong determination to fulfill what is in your heart and what is your goal in life. And if I have one value that I will not compromise is my dignity. Because of this, I learned to stand not only for myself, but those people who lend help to achieve and make this happen in my life. And I'm forever grateful, and my heart is full of gratitude. Whatever happened tonight, I will be the king with dignity. I will share to everyone, not only here in the Philippines, but in the entire world. Thank you.
Now let's move to our next king from Zambales province, Rompasti Atenante.
Dean, please pick your question.
Your question is, leadership is a key trait of a king. Can you share an experience where you demonstrated exceptional leadership skills? In Tagalog, ang pamumuno ay isang mahalagang katangian ng isang hari. Maaari mo bang ibahagi ang isang karanasan kung saan napakita mo ang natatanging kakayahan sa pamumuno?
Back when I was a child, I grew up in a poor family, but I don't have the means to education. But I'm standing in front of all of you to prove that if I don't have the means to gain education, I can still find ways to gain knowledge. That's why I want to educate young minds that to value education, because I know that if every children has education, then our future is secure. Thank you.
Thank you as well, Rompasti Atenante from Zambales province. Now let's move to our king from Malolos City, Bulacan, Laryl Marcelino.
Good luck and pick your question.
And your question is, if given the crown tonight, what is the first meaningful action you will take as a king? In Tagalog, kung ikaw ay gobernador ngayong gabi, ano ang unang makabuluhang hakbang na gagawin mo bilang hari?
Kung ako man po ang gobernador bilang bagong King of the World Philippines 2026, ang unang-unang kong gagawin ay bibigyan ko ng inspirational message ang mga kabataan sa aming lalawigan. Dahil ako, kasi yung tao na gusto ko mag-iwan ng legacy sa aming munisipyo. Gusto ko ang tao sa aming munisipyo ay magkaroon ng magandang future. Kaya ako ay maghihikayat ng mga kabataan na gustong palawagin ang kanilang kaalaman sa industriya ito. Maraming salamat.
Thank you as well, our candidate from Malolos City, Bulacan, Laryl Marcelino. Now let us move to our next king from Laguna Province, EJ Aligaga. Okay, here's your question. When people look up to you, what responsibility comes with that, and how do you handle it? In Tagalog, kapag ikaw ay tinitingala ng mga tao, anong responsibilidad ang kaakibat nito at paano mo ito hinaharap?
Thank you so much and good evening world. As I have shared earlier, I was raised by a single mother. My father died when I was 10 years old. And from then on, my mother raised 5 wonderful children for 16 years. And I had the greatest responsibility of being a provider and a kuya to my siblings. And from then on, I was their role model. And I can proudly share that with the hard work, discipline, respect with one another, I was able to raise my brothers and sisters. We were working students. I was a working student, and I was able to finish my degree with honor. And I am dedicating this crown to my nanay, who is very supportive of us. For everyone who's watching tonight, thank you. I would like to ask to everyone that I would like to ask everyone that you are an inspiration to others. I am an inspiration to my brothers and sisters. They are now graduating students, and I'm proud to say that I did a great job as a kuya to my brothers and sisters. Thank you, everyone.
While everyone is answering, open your question.
Okay, your question is, kings often face challenges that test their character. How do you handle situations that challenge your integrity? Sa Tagalog, ang mga hari ay may dalas na humaharap sa mga pagsubok na sumusubok sa kanilang pagkatao. Paano mo hinaharap ang mga sitwasyong sumusubok sa iyong integridad?
Good evening, everyone. As you may know, in the start of this competition, I struggle with all of the aspects of this competition, especially the wardrobes and everything that makes me prepare for this competition. But that doesn't stop me. Even though I have struggled, I make sure that I will step my best foot forward. And I will not make sure that everything will be hinder me. Even though I'll make sure that I'll make myself proud and I'll make myself even better than the version that I was yesterday. Because I believe that everyone is the best version of themselves. And for me, never hesitate to be the best version of yourself. Don't be hesitate to be more focused on your goals, because that is the goal that you will make sure that you will reach on the finish line. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kevin Benito from Paranaque City. Now we move to our candidate from Tacloban, Quezon, John Alvin Mendoza.
So pick your question. This is your question. The Bayanihan spirit reflects unity among Filipinos. How would you incorporate this value into your reign as King of the World, Philippines? Ang diwa ng Bayanihan ay sumasalamin sa pagkakaisa ng mga Pilipino. Paano mo ito isasama sa iyong panunungkulan bilang King of the World, Philippines?
Maraming salamat sa inyong pagkakataon. Tayo mga Pilipino ay kilala bilang matulungin at pagkakaisa. Bilang isang king, ako ang magiging isang inspirasyon sa lahat upang tayo ay magsama-sama at tuparin ang mga ibang misyon at muling magsama-sama at tayo mga Pilipino ay kilala bilang matulungin at pagkakaisa. Tayo mga Pilipino ay kilala bilang matulungin at pagkakaisa. Bilang isang king, ako ang magiging inspirasyon sa lahat upang ito ay maging patuloy pa rin at hindi mawala sa ating dugo bilang isang Pinoy. Yun lamang po.
Thank you so much, John Dave Macias.
Welcome to the Ganao City Nipatsu Induction. Pick your question. This is your question. Kings inspire others through their actions. Who inspires you? And how do they influence your vision as a leader? Ang mga hari ay nagbibigay inspirasyon sa iba sa pamamagitan ng kanilang mga kilos. Sino ang nagbibigay inspirasyon sa iyo? at paano nito hinuhubog ang iyong pananaw bilang isang leader?
Maraming salamat po sa inyong tanong. Ang ginagawa kong inspirasyon ay ang aking ama. Dahil ang aking ama ay siya yung tumayong gigi ng tahanan. Siya ang nagturo sa akin kung ano ang mga dapat gawin. At tinuruan niya ako na kahit anong mangyari, huwag kang susuko sa laban ng buhay. Patuloy kang bumangon kahit ilang beses kang nataba. Patuloy kang bumangon kasi may pangarap ka, may gusto kang maabot sa iyong buhay. Lagi niyong tatandaan, sa gitna ng unos, ay may magandang kinabukasan. Sabi nga nila, the higher the risk, the higher the price. Paano mo malalaman ng isang bagay kung hindi mo susubukan? Huwag kang matakot dahil ito'y para rin naman sa iyo. Yun lamang po, maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Pinagaraw City, and congratulations.
Thank you, Sunday. Yes, now let's go to our king from Calabasas, Laguna, Rusen Perea.
For the crowd, welcome back on stage. Your question from our visual.
And your question is, a king is expected to lead with dignity. How would you define dignity in leadership? In Tagalog, ang isang hari ay inaasahan mamuno ng may dignidad. Paano mo ilalarawan ang dignidad sa pamumuno?
As a king, he doesn't just wear his crown. He carries responsibility. A responsibility to uplift his people and to inspire them. As a king, I want to make a change. A change to the people who can embrace themselves and be true to themselves. That is what a true king is. And I thank you.
Thank you, Calabasas, Laguna. Now let us call on our next king from Las Piñas City.
Crowd is ready for you, and you sure are ready for your time. So pick your question. This is your question. Jose Rizal is often considered a symbolic king of Filipino intellect and patriotism. How does his legacy inspire you as a Filipino? Si Jose Rizal ay madalas itinuturing na simbolikong hari ng talino at pagmamakabayan ng mga Pilipino. Paano ka naiinspira ng kanyang pamana bilang isang Pilipino?
Sa pangalang pagkakataon na inarito ako ngayon sa entablado ito, hindi para ipakita lang ang aking husay sa stage, kundi ipakita ang lahat ng mga karanasan na aking naranasan sa buong taon at sa pangalawang taon. Hindi na babasa sa pagsubok ng isang tao ang kanyang determinasyon sa buhay. Marapat lamang na bigay siya ng inspirasyon, magpatuloy, huwag sumuko, at nang sa ganon ay mapapatuloy niya ang kanyang pangarap. Dahil naniniwala ako na ang tao ng malaking pangarap, malayo ang mararating. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Las City, and congratulations.
Now down to the final four. And it is your time, Quezon Province. Tino Alibara.
Over here, I'm sure you're ready. Good luck. Pick your question. This is your question. Kings are often seen as symbols of strength and wisdom. How do you balance these qualities in your daily life? Ang mga hari ay madalas na itinuturing na simbolo ng lakas at karunungan. Paano mo binabalanse ang mga katangiang ito sa iyong pang-araw-araw na buhay?
As a king, I balance my strength and wisdom because I wanted to help my family. Not just my family, but also my friends. I use my strength to help them, to help them and to find opportunities that would help my family. Along with wisdom, I always use this to survive. And with that, I would encourage everybody here to use our strength
and wisdom all together. Because if we use our strength and wisdom, we will be able to help our families as well. But more than that, I believe that we should use our wisdom. So I would like also to take this opportunity to encourage everyone to use our wisdom to choose the right leaders that will lead our country. Because if we choose the right leaders, we don't need to use much of our strength anymore because opportunities are there. We don't need to suffer. So I'm using my wisdom right now to encourage everyone to choose the right leaders. Someone who prioritizes the welfare of the Filipino people. Someone who doesn't use their position for their self-interest. That will be all. Thank you.
From Cagayan de Oro City.
Thank you, your question, and good luck. Here is your question. If there were a modern-day Philippine king, what values should he represent to reflect Filipino culture and traditions? Kung mayroong modernong hari ng Pilipinas, ano mga pagpapahalaga ang dapat niyang taglayin upang maipakita ang kulturang Pilipino at mga tradisyon?
If there's a modern Filipino value that I think everyone has to embody, it is the ability of being proud of what we have. Philippines historically has a lot of resources, rich culture, very great festivals that we can celebrate on. But through the changes of times, sometimes we forget about how important it is that we value it, that we became proud of it. Sometimes we are eaten by the Western culture. We tend to copy what they do and forget about what we have as Filipinos. And that, I believe, starts within all of us. If we become proud of who we are, if we understand what we are capable to do, then we will be able to become the great Filipinos as we are. Maayong gabi yung salamat.
From Cagayan de Oro City, Nick Arasis. Now, we move into our king from the Filipino community of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Hello, good luck. Pick your question. Here we go. In history, kings have made sacrifices for their people. What personal sacrifice are you willing to make for the betterment of your community? Sa kasaysayan, ang mga hari ay nagsasakripisyo para sa kanilang mga nasasakupan. Anong personal na sakripisyo ang handa mong gawin para sa ikabubuti ng iyong komunidad?
Thank you for that very nice and wonderful question. One thing that I would like to sacrifice for the sake of the common good for the people in this community is my life for the people. Just as I represent the Filipino community of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, being an overseas Filipino worker is very hard. Then I come all the way here to represent the Filipino community in order to let the people know that it is hard living here and be away from the family. But we are happy to provide, just as we exchange our lives and love and joy from the Philippines into the community of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, just for the people to have a good life. That would be all. Thank you.
And your question is, what does being a king mean to you, and how would you embody this role if crowned? In Tagalog, ano ang ibig sabihin ng pagiging isang hari para sa iyo, at paano mo isasabuhay ang papel na ito kung ikaw ay makoronahan?
Thank you. The true meaning of a king for me is when you are authentic. Because a king must be sincere of what he's doing. He must stay with his character, values, stay grounded in his values and principles. And as a king, I want to embody it by showing authentic, and I'm not painting myself in front of many people. Because many kings think that they're showing themselves to the people and they aren't being real. And I want to show that I am sincere for what I'm doing, and I'm not doing it for popularity, fame, or any benefits that I will gain from it. But I want to show is to serve, listen to my people, and show that it is not about wearing the crown, but it is about showing your sincerest self even when no one's watching, on stage and even outside the stage. Thank you. Good evening, Pastor.